Welcome to AcroRip 10.5 installation. Very little technical knowledge is required to operate this setup. Let's begin. Download the file by clicking the link provided. Make a new folder and label it RIP 10.5, you can put it anywhere. Open Windows Security Settings. Choose it from the menu on the left and then click Virus and Threat Protection. Select Manage Options under Virus and Threat Protection. Set Real-Time Protection off. When asked to make adjustments, select the Yes button. In the bottom section, you'll see the word Exclusions. When asked to make adjustments, select the Yes button again. Add an exclusion option folder. Choose folder created at the beginning of the video. Minimize or close the security window. The RIP 10.5 folder should be opened. Put your compressed AcroRip 10.5 file inside. Using RIP 10.5, extract all files. Access the AcroRip 10.5 directory. Access the DTG RIP directory. Open the DTG RIP app, and you should be good to go. Happy printing!